In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your own personal password in TeamViewer. This is perfect if you want a reliable way to connect to your computer without relying on the temporary password that changes each session. A personal password stays the same until you change it, which makes remote access much easier. Just remember, only share it with people you trust because anyone with your device ID and this password can connect. Start by opening the TeamViewer app on your computer. Give it a second to load the main window. The layout may look slightly different depending on your version, but the options we need are in the same general place. Next, look to the top right corner of the app for a small gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it to open the settings panel. This is where you control how TeamViewer behaves on your device. Inside the settings panel, locate the advanced settings section. You'll usually see a link or label for advanced. Click it to access the more detailed options that aren't shown by default. Now click Open Advanced Settings. TeamViewer hides certain controls until you expand them, so this step reveals the full list we need. Once opened, you'll see many additional options appear on the page. Scroll down until you find the area for creating a personal password. Depending on your version, it might be labeled personal password or something like unattended access. Click into the password field and type a strong, memorable password. Aim for at least 12 characters and mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, or use a long passphrase made of several unrelated words. Avoid anything easy to guess, and don't reuse passwords from other accounts. If you use a password manager, this is a great place to store it securely. Below that, you'll see the Confirm Password field. Retype the exact same password to confirm it. Make sure both entries match perfectly. TeamViewer won't accept it if there's even a small typo. Once both fields match, your personal password is set. From now on, this password will remain active until you change it again. That's it. You've created a consistent, secure way to access your device remotely. A quick recap. Open TeamViewer, click the gear icon, go to Advanced Settings, open Advanced Settings, scroll to the Personal Password section, enter your password, and confirm it. Treat this password like a key to your computer. Keep it private, update it periodically, and only share it with trusted contacts. Thanks for watching, and take care of your security while enjoying the convenience of easy remote access.